I'm Josh Rubenstein, the Public Information Director for the Los Angeles Police Department. This critical incident community briefing is intended to provide you with information about an incident that occurred in Central Division in the city of Los Angeles on December 19th, 2018. You're about to see relevant video footage and learn about other evidence and police procedures related to the case so you can have a better understanding of what occurred based on what we know right now. The LAPD conducts very thorough use of force investigations, which typically require investigators to interview multiple witnesses, view numerous hours of video footage, and analyze a significant amount of forensic evidence. We're still at the very early stages of this investigation, which can often take up to a year to complete, and our understanding of the incident may change as this additional evidence is collected, analyzed, and reviewed. We also do not draw any conclusions about whether the officers acted consistent with our policies and the law until all the facts are known and the investigation is complete. A word of caution. The images and information you're about to see may be disturbing. When a police officer uses force to arrest a suspect or defend against an attack, it can be graphic and difficult to watch. In addition, there may be strong language used by those shown in the video. Viewer discretion is advised, especially for young children and sensitive viewers.
Hello, I'm Lieutenant Kevin Bronner of Media Relations Division of the Los Angeles Police Department. I'm going to give you a brief overview of an incident that began on December 19th, 2018 at around 9:25 a.m. Officers from Central Division responded to a radio call in the area of 5th and Flower Street of a battery in progress where citizens had detained the suspect. When officers arrived, they saw the suspect being held down by several citizens. The officers took control of the suspect and placed handcuffs on him. The suspect was identified as Husey Outing III, and investigators discovered that he was involved in a separate incident just minutes before on the platform at the Pershing Square stop of the Metropolitan Transit Authority Red Line. You're about to see surveillance video from the platform at Pershing Square stop. According to victim and witness statements, Outing tackled a 14-year-old male onto the train tracks from the platform. Outing also fell to the tracks. The 14-year-old victim was helped back onto the platform by bystanders. Outing was able to climb back onto the platform on his own. Outing used a stairway to flee the platform area to the street level area where he walked to 5th and Flower Street and assaulted a construction worker. This is the radio call from that incident.
Central Battery in progress, Flower and 5th, southeast corner. Suspects in male black red scarf on his head, possible transient, assaulting a Caltrans worker who was on the ground. For 3 and 159-631-52.
You now see private cell phone video from the incident that was taken by a community member. Several citizens had detained Outing on the ground after he assaulted the construction worker and were waiting for officers to arrive.
Let's get there.
Just for my fucking personal shit, in case they fucking try to do something.
Hey Jim, I see it,
right?
Yeah, I see it.
He's fucking high on fucking something, dude.
I don't know, dude, but these fucking cops need to hurry the fuck up.
Hey, call either Gabe or Gary.
Keep his ass locked. Hey, I seen him earlier coming from this side. That's it, homie. Maybe relax.
No, you guys need to. He's super fucking strong.
Oh, he's strong.
He's on something, brother.
Although the responding officers had activated their digital in-car video, it did not capture the incident on the camera due to the angle of their vehicles when they parked. You will now see body-worn video from both officers and a supervisor. The body-worn cameras used by the LAPD carry a 2-minute buffer of video without audio. So when the body-worn camera is activated, it goes back 2 minutes and starts recording. However, it does not record any sound during those 2 minutes. This is designed to capture incidents that occur suddenly. These videos do contain audio since the officers and the supervisor activated their body-worn videos when they received the radio call.
Yeah, hold on, guys. Hold him down. 35, let me get a backup here. 15 flower, 415 man. Subjects are being holding down. Put your gloves on. Sir. Hey, put your arms out to your side. Hey, put your arms out to your side.
Put your arms to your side. We're calling out, James.
Hey, listen to me. If you freaking move, I'm going to tase you. You understand me? Don't move. I'll tase you. Lay down. Put your arms out. Get on the phone.
Let go.
Hey, put your arms out. If you move, I'm going to tase you. You understand me?
Don't move.
Put your arms out to your side. Spread your legs. Spread your arms out. Spread your arms out, bro. Partner, get your freaking gloves on. Get his arm. Put it behind his back. Put your arm behind his back.
Don't tense up.
Hey. Put your arm.
Don't tense up.
Hey, man, I'm going to freaking tase you.
Release your left arm.
Get his arm.
Release your left arm. Release your left arm.
Strong. Yeah, we got it. Just direct us, Brother Sarge. Wait, hold on. Put this.
Come on,
Right,
get it
go
on,
ahead.
baby. Get it on.
There you go.
There you go.
Got it? Yeah, we got it. Just direct us, Brother Sarge. Hold on. Put this.
Come on, get it on, baby. Get it on.
There you go.
There you go.
Be code 6, partner.
1Z27, shows code 6.
What corners
You guys do that. He's super fucking strong.
Hold on, partner. Hold on, guys. Just hold him down. 35, let me get a backup here. 5th and Flower, 415 man. Subjects are being holding down. Put your gloves on. Hey, put your arms out to your side. Hey, put your arms out to your side.
Not gonna happen. Put your arms to your side. This is your call now, James.
Hey, listen to me. If you freaking move, I'm gonna tase you. You understand me? Don't move. I will tase you. Lay down. Put your arms out. Get on him, partner. Get on him. Hey, put your arms out. If you move, I'm gonna tase you. You understand me? Put your arms out to your side. Spread your legs. Spread your arms out. Spread your arms out, bro. Partner, get your freaking gloves on. Get his arm. Put it behind his back. Put your arm behind your back. Hey. Put your arm.
Don't tense up.
Hey, man, I'm gonna freaking tase you.
Release your left arm.
Get his arm.
Release your left arm. Release your left arm.
Put his arm behind. Strap his arm behind his back.
You got it?
Yeah, we got it. Just direct us, Father Sarge. Wait, hold on. Put this.
Come on,
Right,
get it
go
on,
ahead.
baby. Get it on.
There you go.
There you go.
Get him on. Certify, you show code for suspect in custody.
Put him in the car.
Hey, hold on. No, we're gonna need an RA. Sit him down. We're gonna need an RA.
Put him down.
Lay him down on this side.
Just put him down. Just get him on the side. That's fine.
Z27, you show code for suspect in custody. I'm gonna need an RA for a male, approximately 35 years old, suffering from use of unknown narcotic. Also from injuries to his head and hand.
Transmitters.
Yeah.
That's why I'm parole. conscious of breathing?
Yeah, yes, he is. He's conscious of breathing. Also, I'm going to need another unit. Hey, sir, have a seat. I'm going to need an RA. I'll get you an ambulance real quick. I'm going to need an RA for a male, approximately 35 years old, conscious of breathing, suffering from a head wound. Sit him up, partner. Sit him up. You want to sit here? His hands are jacked up too, Sarge.
Try to move, sir. I got you.
Hey. His hand's jacked up. Looks like he broke his hand.
But he's been fighting.
Oh, yeah. All right, sit him up, partner.
Sir, if you can.
1 out of 51. You heard off the wrong incident.
Yeah. You're going to have to get a picture of his injuries, his leg.
He has like a little work ID or something, but it's not his full. He wants to lay down, let him lay down.
Yeah, but keep him on his side.
Yeah, let's keep on his side. That's fine.
All that.
Whatever else you want to do it.
Yeah, we're going to go ahead and cuff one to one side. Hey, do you want one up, one down, or you want both down?
Keep both down.
Okay.
All right.
Hey, give that to my partner.
We'll do the waist one too. Travis, did you grab it? You guys gonna have to roll a little bit so we can.
Yeah, well, I'll roll him towards you.
On one side.
Yeah, I'll roll him towards you. Let's go. We're gonna roll him that way.
You guys got some arms.
Yeah, if you guys just roll him a little bit this way. Partner, I'm gonna release his left hand.
Alright.
What was the assault with?
Fists.
One John 2.
He assaulted the worker.
how he got his trunk.
Well, they took him to the ground. Well, they tried to hold him down.
Oh, is that what happened? Okay.
Yeah, they held him down.
Okay, good enough. Yeah.
Okay, his hand's free.
Train level. Suspect without heat onto it. Subject did inhale. Suspect of black, ringing black scarf on the head. By a date, 145 pounds.
I can't reach him. Are we gonna move him down a little, or?
No, just put it right here because it rolls down. It rolls down.
All right. No, they're gonna roll with him. We're gonna use the force. We can't go with him. Yeah, we're gonna have to go back to the station. We're gonna have to write this. We're gonna have to do the debrief, all that. That's fine. You good? You got him? All right. So these are his cuffs. Whenever you get a chance, we'll get them back. All right.
Mr. Outing was transported by the Los Angeles Fire Department to a local hospital, where unfortunately he passed away approximately 1 hour later for unknown reasons. On December 22nd, 2018, the Los Angeles County Medical Examiner performed a postmortem examination. The cause of death is pending results of a toxicology test. The 14-year-old received minor injuries and was treated by the Los Angeles Fire Department and released at scene. The construction worker suffered lacerations and abrasions on his head, face, and legs. He later sought his own medical treatment for the injuries. Mr. Outing was a 47-year-old resident of Los Angeles. He had no prior contact with our mental evaluation unit. He had prior arrests for assault with a deadly weapon, resisting arrest, battery, narcotics possession, and voluntary manslaughter.
In the next several months, the LAPD will continue to investigate and analyze this incident as forensic tests and an autopsy are completed. They'll also interview any new witnesses that may come forward. Now, after the investigation is completed, our Critical Incident Review Division will forward their findings to the Chief of Police, who will make his recommendation to the Civilian Board of Police Commissioners. The board will evaluate the evidence to determine whether the officer's tactics met the high standards expected of all LAPD officers. If you'd like more information on how the LAPD and the LA District Attorney's Office investigates all officer-involved shootings and other serious uses of force, visit lapdonline.org, where you can also find LAPD's use of force policies and procedures. Thank you for taking the time to view this Critical Incident Community Briefing.